So now that we went over that, let's talk about these last couple arrows. Again, we have the back and forth. Simple as that. It allows you to undo or redo your mistake that you made. The last one is a pretty cool feature. It is a picture of a mountain. What this is, it allows you to download any image that you might have on your Google Drive or on the PC itself or the Android side itself, and it allows you to present it on the screen. So if I click Google Drive, it'll ask me to sign in, it'll ask me to complete the components, and it'll allow me to pick from the choices of pictures that I have. Right now I don't have any pictures on there, but if I did need to put, for example, if you're a biology teacher and you were looking at a component of that, you could put that up there of what a cell might look like. If I was a math teacher, maybe there's a worksheet of some problems that I need to get done. Or if you're looking at formulas and I want to put the formula up to be able to talk about the area of the square, that's what I could do. The last one is a table with an arrow above it. This is where it gets fun. A lot of the stuff has different backgrounds, so you can pick a color if you want to pick a color. So I'm going to pick green so you can really see the contrast. Or you can put a grid. You have boxes, lined, dots, or you have graphing paper. A lot of what you can do with this has the ability to do that. One of the things that we are working on with the technology department is to upload a component of different pictures to be able to use for different writing backgrounds. One of the things that you could do at home is you can upload on your Google Drive, for example, say you're an elementary teacher in kindergarten first or second, and you're doing foundations, or a reading specialist and you're doing foundations. You can upload the foundations board to your screen to be able to practice the writing with the cloud line, with the caterpillar, all those components you can have right here on your board. So I'm going to go back using my back arrow. The next thing that you have available is text. If you wanted to type something onto the board, you could write and it will appear with the keyboard, and you can type in on what you need to do. Again, I have the ability with the two people to duplicate. I can lock it in the spot, or I can unlock it, or again, I can delete it. I can change the font to a variety of fonts that are available, the size of the text, the color, and the alignment. Alignment just means if I want it left justified, if I want it in the middle, or if I want it to the right justified. The next spot is stamps. These are fun because, especially with elementary school, you have a kid come up, he does a problem, you go, okay, great job, and you put your stamp up on the board. Here's the thing with the stamps though. If I want to erase it again, I use my hand, it doesn't come off. And the reason for that is because they want these features to be erased through the eraser. So if I go up here, I can erase it with the eraser. Still can't change my shapes, I still have to clear that out, but I still have that ability. But going back to our table, we have math tools. This is great for all you math teachers. I have a ruler, a protractor, a compass, set square, graph, and a calculator. This allows me to have everything that we need for math available. Again, I can change this around, I can move it around the board. I can add my ruler, which goes to a 12-inch ruler. I can move it, I can turn it, and I can measure it. So if I say, okay, this shape, I can draw the line and it will tell me how long it is. In addition, I have a compass. All these different math tools are great to be able to explain to students on how to use it, and it's all in Chrous. The last one is shapes. Shapes, again, are what they sound like. It allows you to draw them and be able to do it. The cool thing is I can change the color to be able to fit what I need it to do. You have this ability. So I'm just gonna go back to my eraser. I'm gonna clear this off, and I'm gonna show you the next part. So, the last one on the list is hide. Hide is great because you can hide part of it, or you can hide all of it. You can slide it around to be what you want the kids to see. So if you only want to see that part, you can set it up to be only that side of the board. If I only want it to be the middle half, I can set it up to be this half of the board. And then hit reveal to show off the whole board. So take a minute, try it out, see what you can find.